YouTube, here's Austin, and we do have us, I think we do have the Norfolk Southern. All the rest has MR train YouTube, or it could be just all the rest on the train tonight. Oh, it could be Mets Freight, Memphis Freight. Oh, it could be, it could be Load Oil Train YouTube, but I don't know, but anyways, YouTube. Here comes the train. Hope you enjoyed the video. Why you two there? What? Why you two? There goes the locomotive. You two. You got why you two? There goes the locomotive heading right. Heading right to the freight yard in downtown Griffin. You two. So yep. So anyways, there goes the locomotive, and there goes running a light for tonight. You two. There goes running a light for tonight. Remember you two. There it goes. As always, and now as always. Please remember, look, listen, and live, and also have a very, very safe trip to the train crew that was leaning that was leaning the light that was leaning the light engine for tonight, you two. So anyways, there goes the locomotive. Until then, y'all, I'm out.